Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll dive into best reasons to switch to Harley Bank. So let's quickly dive into it. So if you're thinking of moving your money to a bank that better serves your need, Harley Bank check a lot of boxes. First, you find no monthly maintenance fee and no minimum balance required, which means you can keep your money or you can keep more of your money working for you instead of getting eaten up by bank charges. Second, Harley offer competitive interest rate on savings and other accounts, so your money earn more instead of sitting idle. Third, if you are comfortable banking online, you will experience highly strong digital experience. Their mobile app and web interface are designed for convenience with features like mobile check deposit, remote transfer, budgeting tools, and free ATM access through a large nationwide network. All told, switching to Harley could be a smart move if you are looking for lower fee, high yield, and a modern banking experience. So if you find this helpful, hit the like, subscribe for more quick finance breakdown, and drop a comment if you are considering switching to Harley or you want a current bank is missing.